Hey team, before we move into goal setting, the first thing we need to do is archive our goals from last year. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a few quick steps. First, log into ADP, go to My Self, Performance Goals. Here you will see your goals from fiscal year 20. Go to the three little dots on the right-hand side of each goal. Click View Update Progress. From there, you're going to change the status from active to complete. Then save changes. Here you will see the goal is now complete. The next step, you want to go back to these three dots and then mark as historical. Select yes, and then you're going to want to do this for each of your goals. At any time, you can check on your historical goals here. Hope this is helpful. Please reach out with any questions. Thanks.